But Draymond will give him. Not that he gave it to him. This is a...
And Steph, he hid behind Damian Jones.
Anymore because, as I say, Karl Anthony Towns is the center with Jordan Bell. Nice lob, nice pass to Tolliver sleeping. See, these are such great athletes today. Beautiful pass from Livingston, set it up, and Tolliver rolled.
Missing the free throw is Jordan Bell, tracking down the loose ball. Can Curry make 5? No, but he doesn't need to. KD's there to follow, and the Warriors have the lead.
The really special thing about this place is the people are fans here.
Oh, Iguodala with the right.
The last 4 years.
Buildings are made special by community, by fans, and by elite athletes with special plays. Tim Duncan do that, Steph Curry do that. Some of the great teams when your best players act like a normal player. Jordan Bell with a beautiful block there. Jacob Evans didn't want that three there. He'll take the mid-range and drop it in.
He plays really